right here we have our metered section, and it goes into the panels that are needed. We have gutter wrapped around it so we can take any circuits from any panels without crossing. It makes it a nice clean design, and our inverters are right here for battery backup. And this is how we transition up into the upper floors through the concrete. Now we're going to go upstairs and check out Park Plus and the garage upstairs. So we provided power to these hydraulic units. There's multiple ones on the floor here, and they control all the several racks that you see here. This is a car wash area, and this is where all of our conduits come from the subterranean parking garage and our service and panels, and we feed all the offices as well as all the other aspects of power that's needed in the building, including the ACs up on the roof. And since it's all poured concrete as well as block, we have to surface mount everything.
So basically, if there's a car on top, you gotta pull the levers, release it, open it.
You don't want to be the guy with the car on the top. You'll be waiting here for, forever. So as you can see, this was a fabulous project to work on. As Bauer Electric Services, we were honored. It had its challenges, but a whole bunch of rewards, and hopefully we'll see you on the next one.